Elementary School Ivan Milutinovic. Our school, Ivan Milutinovic, is located in Subotica. It was founded in 1868. It got its present appearance in 1893 as a newly built school. In that time, there was only first, second, and third grades, and it had only 6 classrooms. In 1950, a school called Osmoletka II was founded. In the beginning, the school did not have a yard, so the children spent their recess on the street. Our school today, the education of children in our school starts at the age of 7 and it lasts for 8 years. Ivan Milutinovic Elementary School has about 640 students organized in 31 classes. The languages on which they are taking classes are Serbian and Croatian. They are also learning English, Hungarian, and German language. Mala Bosna. Besides our school in Subotica, we have another one in a little village called Mala Bosna. There are about 12 to 20 students in each class. Thank you for your attention.